Hello, good morning everyone. This is second day of the year 2025. So our topic today, or maybe it's my random thought, uh, it's common. What's our resolution of the year 2025? So maybe it is common. We have resolution to improve what we plan, what our goal, vision, at the year this year 2025. So for me, my resolution is very vague, like I don't have any solid resolution. So my common is hopefully this year is always healthy. Kay it's one of the asset being healthy sa atong kinabuhi. At the same time, one of my dearest desire nga what my plan this year, or sa mga unfulfilled nga plan last year nga I'm praying nga mini na fulfill, like have enough saving other mga business for the upcoming years ulit medyo karon. At the same time, improving myself samot nag tawag ni being faithful sa Ginoo samot na sa my last year is very challenging. I am face countless trials, and I have enough learned lessons. Very the lesson was so it's a very hard lesson kay it cost me more effort, money, like last year is very hard. Hindi lang last year, the year 2023, because of my rash decision to enter into a relationship. At the same time, at the end of the day, it's failure, and it's caused many sacrifices that was not worth it. And hopefully this year I survive, because I have my brother og kastuan in his studies, at the same time to support my girlfriend also. So hopefully praying always healthy, at the same time to cope up the expenses. In spiritual side, my resolution is really, it's not a resolution, it is my thoughts, my stand was is to more rely to God. Kay last year is I'm so idiot, I'm so dependent on myself. So this year I'm praying and hoping na I was too dependent sa Ginoo. And in money purposes naman, hopefully we are praying, and hopefully to have savings more, even though it's challenging. And my plan is not fulfilled. So that's my resolution. Actually, it's very wide and then not so clear. So to sum it up, good health, and then have steady or something, other sideline work. Lang kay my work here is being guard. Actually, it's not proper guard. I'm just like a call center. Like I'm just answering, assisting some guests. I work here in a resort in Wolby Farm. And my job before being a guard, like a company guard, is I'm a waiter. and I finished my study as a food technology in Bohol Island State University, as one of the state university here in Bohol in Tagbilaran City. And of course, I graduated not just with the help of my parents, but as a working student also here. So I'm grateful that Bohol BPM is one of the reason why I finished my study, even though the process is very painful, like many sacrifices, time, effort, because yeah, it's not easy to be a working student. And hopefully this year, what I learn and then improve myself, like personal improvement, like um, learn learn anything, not just uh, learn that or just be complacent or makontento lang. That's how my how I think and eager to improve. And of course, in relationship with my parents, also my plan, somewhat na I plan to have a store someday maybe 2 years ahead or 3 years ahead. That's my long-term plan. If it is not my style or something, pag di ako mag-abroad, so I have to do business. I long I yearn long to have a business, but it's not easy. I know it's not easy because yeah, business is not to play something. Hindi lang siya dua, but it is a very serious job. So it's a challenge, but I believe there is no impossible to God. What my plan, I only rely sa Ginoo with His guidance, diba? According to His word, according into Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans for you, plan to prosper you, a plan not to make you harm. So it's very assuring, no? Siyang pulong sa Jeremiah 29:11 nga at the beginning, if we believe, if we believe in God that He is our Savior, so may plan ng Ginoo because He loved us. He died, that He sent His only begotten Son to die in cross. So if you believe, actually it's a free will, so sinamugos mga it's very it's a grace of God mga. So di lang sa ko, but sa tanang viewers sir, hopefully and praying for you sa inyo tanan nga whatever you do, just trust God and then trust His guidance and go with the flow sa Ginoo. So thank you everyone. So I hope you learned something to my video. Thank you and God bless.